What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson. Hey, it's a little late over here, man. Just came back from Tallahassee, helping my youngest son move. 22 years old, got his own house. Definitely breaking generational curses. 22, own house in Florida, 30 minutes from the ocean, or whatever that is down there. It's a big old gap of water that surrounds Florida and Louisiana. But he's down there. So hey, this video gonna be quick because I'm tired. We rolled down there earlier this morning, took the stuff he still had at the house, and then came straight back. I wasn't trying to hang down there too much longer. Until next week. Then we'll go down there, hang a few days. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and today is going to be a nice little withdrawal day. It's a little bit more than it would have been 5 hours ago, but hey, it is what it is. So you can see the bot is working 2146. This is just all compounding because I stopped my level 1, 2, and 3 from going into the bot. Let me see. The last time this ran was 1955. So we got some good time. We got some time. So we can go ahead and now do our withdrawal for today. So we will go to mine. We're going to go to my team. There you can see we already got 266 sitting in residuals. So we're going to receive that. And then level 2. See what level 2, about 60, 70. What you got level 2? 70. $94 on level 2. Ooh. So we had 350 already. A little bit more than 350 because it was 66. Probably 360. Shoot, 491. What? What didn't I see? Must have missed something. See, $63 more right there. So now what we'll do is, yeah, 310. I'm about to say, hold up. I'm receiving, and that is, oh, gotcha. That's the total income. It ain't added up yet. I'm like, what? Yeah, because on level 1 so far we made 1,800. That's just residuals. So these are just residual. 1,800 residuals, 491 in residuals. So that's like 20, 22, 23, 26, $2,700 in just residuals. And we've been in since the 15th, 12th, 15th, somewhere between the 12th and the 15th is when we came in. So, hey, people, you got to just come in these things and blast them. Tell everybody until nobody don't want to hear it no more. You know what I'm saying? That's the only way you want to know. So I'm thinking I'm at $425 that I can withdraw right now. And this is just one day from yesterday. So what we're going to do now is go to withdrawal. If I got to do the camera joint, I am going to, about to find out when it loads. Yep. All right. So I'm going to have to turn this camera off. We'll do 425.824. And it's just residuals. We're not withdrawing anything out of the main count. We're going to let that keep growing. 3%, 3.3 to 3.6% a day. The bot checking every 3 minutes. So, I mean, with 3 minutes, instead of 10 to 15 minutes losing, we at least going to get about 11 in there, hopefully. At least about 11. I haven't really, all my times look like they add up. So it got to be something. Change this. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this camera off because I'm going to have to start this certification. There we go. There go the brother. Looking tired. Brother. Yo, what is up with these lips, man? What the heck? What kind of, just catching me like in the midst of talking or something? All right, get this. I ain't playing with it today. And we're just going to click submit. Successful submission, confirm. I'm not going to try to save what I just withdrew as password. It doesn't work like that. And then from here, we go to Kraken address approved. Successful address is now ready to be used for withdrawals. Okay. What address was that? Cannot approve withdrawal address. Article is abolished, expired. Okay. What is any of this? Okay. Find out what that is. All right, so to sign in. So we got 561 in there. And you go to funding. And it takes a little while before it even catches. Funding. Oh, yeah, last time I think what I did was I went here. I refreshed it. And loading. All right. Go back to, oh, that's you guys. I should have got too many unopened. Let's give it a minute. Let me see. So if we go to, so we just did our withdrawal. Let me see withdrawal records. We can see what we took out so far. 234, 332 yesterday, 425 today. Unprocessed. So it's processing now. Let's see what is it doing. I think what it is now, there's so many people in here, it's not as fast as it used to be. So let's see. Unprocessed mean they got a process on both ends. I mean, all you can do really at this point is just keep refreshing this and refreshing that. And then once it goes where it's going, come on, beautiful people. Brother is tired. Brother is tired. What was these little drop down arrows? Oh, okay. It showed you that was withdrawal. So what's this one say? So withdrawal. You go numbers. Oh, must be the transaction number. Got a transaction number. 2105, 3 minutes. Completed on this side. So we go over here. Now, all right, it's complete on this side. Now we gotta wait for it to hit over here. And brother, tight. Come on, homie. Play with this real quick. Yes, I know it don't. Let me move this real quick. Check my personal. Yep, that's it. All right. Hey, there you go. My phone number and all that on there. So I'll be trying to move it every time I do that. Here. Come on, people. I wasn't trying to make this video this long. But you got to let this see the people. All right, it's right there. Yo, it's there. It's confirming. I'm about to cut this video. I'm dog tired. Got up early in the morning, hit them. And the thing is, you get to Tallahassee from Hampton, Georgia. You got to cut off and take like 100 miles of back streets. I mean, I'm sure it's another way, but the fastest way on the iPhone was backstreet. Like backstreet, it was nice. I mean, nice scenery, but you're talking about 45 miles an hour, 55 miles. Then it was raining like cats and dogs. So it's coming in there, people. It'll be in there soon enough. And I am definitely not going to be sitting here waiting on this video for it to get there. You know, it takes a little while to get in there. All right, so it's your boy Terrence Gibson saying like, subscribe, rock that bell, join my team. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I'll change it to $400 days for the withdrawal. That's $424. Yeah, I'll probably put that on there. And I don't do these things. This ain't about bragging. It's just showing people what you can do when you apply yourself. That's it. That's it. Because, you know, these things come, these things go. So there's no room for bragging. It's just like, yo, this is what we're doing right now. You can do it too. What you going to do? That's really what it is. All right, beautiful people. Have a blessed one. Join my team. God bless. God bless.